माझ्या बरोबर हांगासर बसल्या ह्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक बाय रॉयला फर्नांडीस जे साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटीचे सेक्रेटरी, तशेंच आमचे को स्पोक्सपर्सन बाय स्वाती केरकर आणि तशेंच आमचे बाब ग्लेन काब्राल जे आमचे यूथ काँग्रेसाचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी जावन आसात.
लोकांची चळवळ पळोवपाक मेळटा.
आयज तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान म्हाका लोकां म्हऱ्यान पावोवपाक जाय हे गोवा कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन जे लास्ट 2 आठवडे जाले आनी भोव करून लास्ट 2-3 दिसांक खूब लोकांची चळवळ पळोवपाक मेळटा. आतां हे कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅना विशीं हांवें 2019 अशेंच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन कांय मुद्दे सरकारा मुखार मांडलेले, पूण म्हाका दिसना सरकारान हे कसलेच मुद्दे लोकांचे आनी ज्यो लोकांच्यो अपेक्षा आसा त्यो मानून घेतल्या अश्यो. आतां स्पेसिफिकली तुमकां 2-3 वस्तू सांगूंक दिसता. जेन्ना 2019 हो ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन न्हय सरकाराच्या फायद्याक हो आनी कोणाच्या वेव्हाराच्या फायद्याक, हो प्लॅन गोंयकाराच्या आनी गोंयकाराच्या फ्युचराचो फायदो जावन आसा. ह्या फुडले पिढीक कितें जातलें आनी कितें उरतलें आमचे गोंयचे त्या ह्या प्लॅनाचेर अवलंबीत आसा. कित्याक ह्या प्लॅनार पळय कितें मिस्टेकी जाल्यात, कितें सारकें न्हू तें दाखयलां तें सदांच उरतलें. कित्याक जें पळय दुसरें आतां 2019 नोटिफिकेशन आयिल्लें आसा ऑलरेडी, हो प्लॅन 2011 नोटिफिकेशना प्रमाणे केला आनी 2019 नोटिफिकेशन पळय आसा तें ह्या प्लॅनार अपलोड जातलें. आनी हे जे फुडें कितें कितें नोटिफिकेशनां येतलीं, कितें कितें कायद्याच्यो चेंजीस येतल्यो ह्याच प्लॅनार अपलोड जातल्यो. सो आमकां विनंती आसा गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान की हो प्लॅन एका गांवान नॉट ओन्ली फॉर हियरिंग नॅशनल सेंटर फॉर सस्टेनेबल कोस्टल मॅनेजमेंट जांकां गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां आयकूंक येता ते प्रमाणे 2 crores of fees have been paid to prepare this map. The government should immediately direct this authority and their technical personnel to go to each village and hold a consultation with each village, the manner our regional plan we had prepared. Only then the plan will truly represent the aims and aspirations of the average and the local Goan and the Goan community. With these few words, I will request my colleague, Architect Royala, who has made a deeper study on some very specific issues, to please throw light on this.
Royala Fernandes, member of the South Goa District Committee. जेन्ना पयर संडे आमचे CZMP personal hearing ahले. Yes, I would say it was not a public hearing. There is a public. It was not a public hearing. There are local communities, fishermen, toddy tappers, sports, water sports agencies, हे coastal area चे काम करतात. ते लोक सगळे पोला भायर आणि few people ज्यांकडे register करपाक जातले. And even more surprising is structures which are illegal are appearing in the CZMP plan. So there are people with vested interest have connived with the agency and have put specifically what is their interest. Not, I mentioned about being able to communicate in the, then the period of 29 till the 7th of February, the maps, the CZMP maps were not factual areas. I explained a few about the procedural thing which they have done false and on facts on ground. In my village, or we have the sea on one side and false, and on facts on ground. In my village, or we have the sea on one side and we also have the river on the other. The CRZ line of the river has been 140, and then in 2021 it recedes. It goes almost 1.5 kilometer lower and goes even further down towards the river. How is this possible? I know the environment minister or somebody has clarified earlier that it all depends on the salinity. But find out what is the reason the salinity has gone down. The salinity of the river has not got down because of the sea. Sewage from Margaon is discharged into the river Sal. Hence the salinity has. They have modified the CRZ line for the river. It has its own benefits for them, but it's a disadvantage for people of the village because the word Khareban, if you are Khareban, salt and a bund there. So the salinity was at that point, and today it is 2.5 kilometers. This is one of, because the stretch of the river from Khareban till around 2.5 is negligible and might not be useful for the government in their interest, in which they have got a river nationalization also act approved. So they have got a river nationalization also act approved. So further down the stream, it will be important for them. Besides the maps, in the CZMP maps, the agency has shown a vast tract of land as mangroves and a buffer for mangroves. But mangroves don't grow on fields. They were salt marshes. The tides and the river had there. So Google images have shown them vegetation. So it is declared as a mangrove area. We have told them come on ground. Don't do Google research. Ground verification is needed. So this plan was a total failure. Don't do Google research. Ground verification is needed. So this plan was a total failure because local people were not consulted. The punches were there, people of the village, none of them were consulted, so it was just sitting in Chennai, the plans are prepared and pushed down our throat in Goa. Salt pans are not shown. Fish landing areas, water bodies are essential, and in the CRZ, the ones which lie in the CRZ, but nuts, almost like around 40 water bodies. So 1 point agenda which was echoed, so Tulio also has repeated that, was come back to the villages. Or plan given the people in their local language. Konkani hadinga Konkanin sanga, Marathi hadinga amche nuster kabab, amche render, and then only we will go ahead. Till then, scrap this thing, start afresh. Public consultations only after ground verification. Over to you, sir. Yeah.
See, I will just summarize this few points. Now,
there is an Otter Research Center there which has not been consulted. Another thing is over anxiety to show the port limits which are supposedly to be exercised by the ports as per the amendment of the Ports Act and the new Ports Bill. Have these been discussed in detail by the Goa government, the local self bodies here? Or are the local inland waterways being misrepresented as port limits? Has a study been done, or is there any data whether some of them are small creeks and waterways, maybe traditional boats and fishing canoes can navigate in them, but can big vessels navigate in them, rivers or backwaters? Where is the data? Be explained to the people of Goa. My friend Greg says that they can participate in the proceedings of the public hearing on the date and venue as specified above by registering their names before 11 a.m. at the venue. थंय कोणाचो एफर्टूच ना तांकां येवन मेळपाक, तांकांची नांवां घेवपाक, फक्त गेटी बंद करून पुलिसान तांचेर घालून लोकांक धांवडावपाचो प्रयत्न चलिल्लो. हांव म्हणटा कित्याक हो आराखडो, हो प्लॅन गोंयकारां खातीर, आमच्या लोकल गोंयकारां खातीर, आनी मोर सो फॉर द ट्रेडिशनल फिशरीज. इफ दे आर रांपोणकार आनी कोण कोण पळय आमचे लोकल